What's up, everyone? It's your girl ReRe, and today I'm going to show you how I created these nails. So here are my nails. They're about a week and a half old. I got the black for Halloween, of course, and I just decided to spice them up a little bit. In order to spice them up, I'm going to need a few things. The first thing is this buffer. Excuse my dog, she's barking, she's a little crazy. This duster, which is going to be what we need to take off all the dust after buffing our nails. We're also going to need something to hold our foil, so I got this star glue, which I found online for $1. And we're going to need some foil stamping tape, which right here I have two different colors. I have a green and I have a multicolor blue that I use to achieve this look. And then we're going to need a clear nail polish. So I'm using this Sally Hansen's hard ass nails. It really is what it's called. And then of course my Born Pretty No Wipe top coat gel polish that you guys know I absolutely love. Okay, so step one is to buff the nails. I took my buffer right here and I just ran it across my nails until there was no more shine left. As you see here, it looks like I have matte black nails, and that's the look we're going for with completing step one and moving into step two. Okay, so once we're done buffing the nails, our nails are going to look just like this, really dull and just nasty, in my opinion. Step two is going to be to dust off and brush off all the particles, back side and front side. We want to make sure that the nails are clear of all dust particles so that we can move on to step three. Okay guys, so with step three, we're going to take our glue and we're just going to place it on our nail. We're not covering the whole nail with this step. We're just going to do it in random spots, random shapes, random blotches. We still want the black to show through the foil, so we're making sure that we leave some black spaces in between. And as you see here, I'm just literally swiping the glue or the brush across my nail. You know, nothing particular. Okay, so after prepping the nail with the glue, we're going to let it dry. You'll know it's dry once it's completely clear. So you see in some spots it's white, some spots it's clear. Okay, so because I was a little bit impatient, I didn't let the whole nail completely dry, but I did go in with my green foil stamp and just stamp the areas that I knew for sure were dry. And as you see here, it just stamped so perfect and so pretty. I went in and did the other nail as well, and I just put the green in random spots. Nothing in particular, just, you know, randomly. Here I'm just taking the blue and I'm stamping that as well in the dry areas, because as you see, we still have some white areas on our nail that aren't dry completely. So I just went in with the blue and stamped it randomly in random places. I then went in with a different color because we're doing a rainbow effect here. This is yellow and I stamped that as well. And so I put the yellow on both nails, just in random areas. Look how beautiful that is. And as you see here, speed it up. I just went in with all of the different colors of the rainbow: purple, red, yellow, green, blue. And I just made sure I covered all of the areas at which I put the glue. And it just came out so beautiful. Okay, so I finished my thumb finger off camera, but just look at the complete finish of step 4. Look how beautiful the colors go and how well they match together. For step 5, we're going to use our clear top coat by Sally Hansen, and we're going to polish our nail clear. We're going to do a clear top coat. Okay, so as I'm finishing up this last finger, I just want to keep in mind that I personally decided to do 2 top coats of this clear polish. For me, it just gives a better, clean, smoother look. And then guys, this part is optional, but I went in with my Born Pretty gel top coat and just did another top coat, and I cured it for 30 seconds. It just made my nails look so much more shinier. And this right here is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed my video. I hope you all give it a like and comment down below to let me know what else you would like to see me do. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.